This video will show you how to switch from grid view to form view in Acumatica. I am on my invoice and memos form. I'm creating an invoice, and down here I'm going to add a line. As I add additional lines, you will see a grid is being created. I want to just show one line at a time and work on one line at a time, I can go to the pencil and switch to form view. This now is just showing the information listed on that line. And I can work in this form instead. To add additional lines, you just hit the plus. Add in your information. To switch back to the grid view, you would hit the pencil again, and you're now taken back to the grid view. If you're adding multiple lines and you're running out of space, to give yourself a little more space to show the grids, you can go to the little arrow and click on it. This will minimize the summary area and allow you more view of your grids shown here.